Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to factory reset your Windows 11 using command prompt. So for this guys, you can try this easy and simple method. Press Windows key button and here you need to search CMD, means command prompt. Right click on the command prompt and here you can get the option run as administrator. Just open it, okay, like this. After opening the command, here you need to type one command, so just type it carefully. You don't need to make any spelling mistake, okay. So the command is this guys: system reset space minus minus factory reset, and then hit enter from your keyboard, okay, like this. Now it will show you a blue screen pop-up window on your screen. Here you can get two options: keep my files or remove everything. If you don't have any backup of your personal private files, important files, so you need to take it backup, or if you want to keep your file on your Windows PC, just you need to reset your PC. So at that time you can go with the first option, keep my files. Just select this, okay, like this. Now it will take some time to show you the next screen, so please wait for few seconds guys. After the next screen was appear, I will show you what to do on that screen. So as you can see guys, your app will be removed. So this is your app list. As you can see guys, if you are resetting your PC with keeping files, so it will uninstall this all app from your PC, okay. If you want to do this, so just click on next button like this, and finally here you can get the option reset. So just click on reset if you want to reset this, okay. So this is the way to reset your PC using the command prompt on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.